Good afternoon everyone, this is Connor from ZenFone and welcome to the ZenFone monthly forecast videos for July. Now today's video I'm going to be covering a highly volatile industry once more, that is the cryptocurrency industry. Specifically I'm going to be going over XRP, and cryptocurrency is continuing its industry-wide slump as we approach July, and XRP really is no exception. I'm going to run through the events coming up which will drive the price higher or lower and carry out an analysis on the chart for you, which is going to be balanced for you guys that are looking to buy the market or for you guys that are looking to sell the market. So just a quick introduction to XRP. It was launched back in 2012 and Ripple is the name of the company and network behind the cryptocurrency coin. Now its products are used for things like payment settlement and asset exchange. It's also pre-mined, and so it uses a less complicated method of mining as compared to something like Bitcoin does. But the main benefit really of this coin, to me anyway, is the transaction speed. Now Bitcoin transactions may take minutes with high costs, whereas XRP transactions can be carried out in just seconds and at a much lower cost as well. However, the real problem that we had was in December of last year, and the SEC filed a lawsuit against Ripple alleging that the sale of its XRP coin was an unregistered securities offering worth over $1.38 billion. Now this is not likely to be solved anytime soon, and the XRP community really are just counting down the days until this is all over really. And attorney Jeremy Hogan has been sharing his predictions, and this is a quote from the beginning of June that he said, if we go into June with no settlement, then this lawsuit has been adopted and supported by Chairman Gensler for better or worse. If that is the case, which it was, I predict no settlement until September at the earliest. If there is no settlement and we can go to summary judgment or trial, I predict, well heck, I don't know, do I look like a mind reader? So you can take from that that really there's still lots and lots to sort out in this case. What I'm going to do is each XRP video or Ripple video that I do, I'm just going to give an update on the case. Some people are put off by this lawsuit. Others see it as an opportunity to buy XRP at an extremely cheap price right now. But I would say it's very important to stay up to date with this case as things are changing daily. Now we do have the main issue in general, the regulation issues we're seeing at crypto-wide, industry-wide, especially in China. Most recently, the Chinese financial authorities said that banks were not allowed to offer cryptocurrency to their clients, which has really caused this and sparked this much wider and larger crypto sell-off. Okay, so on the chart now for XRP, and I'm just going to go through some key levels for you to look out for potentially in the next month or so. At the moment, you can see the whole picture for XRP. You can see where we was at all-time highs at $3.3 back in 2017, and we had that crash, which is actually to do with regulation issues as well. We've since then had another rally more recently, and again a crash back down. Seems to be the theme for cryptocurrency in general really. Now I just want to mark some key levels, and one of the levels that I've got my eye on is this bearish candle here, which could be identified as a weekly order block. The reason so is because this is the last piece of bearish pressure before we had this break to the upside, which had massive volume in it. And we actually broke two structure highs, that one, and we also broke this one as well. So this level here down at around 48 cents would be a real discount level for me to buy from, something that if I do get into the market, it's probably something I'm going to buy and hold, with it being so cheap at the moment in the real long term. But for July we could have some more pain still to come. A run into this level would be nice for me. Also, I'd just like to point out that we were in overbought territory up at around $2, so we have corrected. It is, when you look at it from a bigger picture, it is just a correction, even though over the last month or so it really has been a bit of a crash. On the daily chart, hi guys, thank you for listening to this video. Just really quickly wanted to touch on a really exciting offer we have on the website. It's a limited time offer, and if you head over to zenfonex.co.uk, you will see the offer in front of you straight away. And this is that you can trade Forex on a standard account with raw spread plus zero commission. And now ZenFone is also an FCA and no dealing desk execution broker. If you are interested in this offer, you can get in touch with the team by clicking learn more or you can simply go to open an account where you can start the application process. I've left this order block level in there, but the only way that I can see a real change in trend of this market is if we got a break below something like 44 cents, which would be the last swing low really that we had. I'll just mark it for you here. This is the last real swing low. If we get a situation where we start to break below, then I mean, yeah, we can maybe start to look towards something like 20 cents, but I cannot see that happening, to be honest, especially in July. I think we might loiter around this level just a bit more, maybe bouncing between these structures, and just delete that. So yeah, if we do get a break below 44 cents in July, then I'm going to be taking a real step back from this market and really thinking about whether it's a long-term good solution or not. If you are a seller, there are sellers out there, I know, probably not many, but if you are a seller of XRP or crypto in general, you could potentially sell the market from this daily order block here. I'll mark that so you can see. And you can see that we did have this, already had a break of this swing low, which a lot of people were thinking might have held at around 66 cents. We did get a break below it. We're now looking to retest. We could get a situation where we run up into this level, but we do have some more short-term pain for July. But then what I'm interested to see is if we then get a break below this low, or we actually create a double bottom and we can then start to look higher up toward maybe around $1 would be a realistic take profit. Again, alternatively, we run into this order block and then we actually break this structure low and we start to test new swing lows. So they're the situations that I see for XRP. Overall, I do think the coin is very cheap despite the lawsuit that's going on. They have fended off stuff like this before, but this current lawsuit does, in the early stages, seem to be going the way of Ripple at the moment. But things can change. Things are changing daily. If I was to go through the whole case with you, I'd be here for hours. So just have a search online and have a look at the updates on the case. When I do a forecast video for XRP, I'll give a summary on the case coming up. So that's it for XRP, guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please, if you could like and subscribe to our channel. The channel's growing really nicely. We're getting some nice comments. Keep dropping in those comments as well. We always reply to them, or I always reply to them, and it's great to hear your guys' opinions as well. Other than that, guys, I'll catch you all for the next video, which will be tomorrow, and I hope you all have a great day.